In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to Excel and it's a capstone project. So first we have to open our instruction file, then we have to click on enable editing, then make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. Okay, so in today's video we will discuss Excel Introductory Capstone 1 a year and a report. We just increase the size of this one. We may increase, yes, then change its color. Then here is project description. So we just increase its size and change its color so it must be visible. So in today's video we will discuss Excel Introductory Capstone 1 a year and a report. We will solve this assignment step by step, but before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment, we have 19, 23, 24, 25. We have 25 question in graded part. The last one is just like simply save, close and submit for grading. So we have just 25 question in graded part. So let me start this assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get 100% mark. So in start we just read project description that will give us idea that what we have in today's project. In this project you will work with a multiple worksheet and enter formulas and function to calculate totals, averages, maximums, values and minimum values. Additionally, you will create a summary sheet, format cell, insert charts, then insert sparklines and create a table in a workbook. So that was just simply project description that what we have in today's project, how we have to solve that one. Okay, now we are moving toward graded part. Steps to perform, then open the Excel file that we have downloaded from Pearson. First we have to open that one, we call that a solution file. Okay, it is just getting opening. Once it opens, then we will start working on there. Then we have to click on enable editing. Okay, so question number 1 is done. Now moving toward a next part. On our net sales sheet, now we have to move toward a net sales sheet. Then calculate a totals in the range F4 to F8. F4 to F8. Here we have to calculate totals. So first we have to select the range, then simply click on editing auto sum. Okay, yes, done. Then the next range is B9 to F9. Where is B9? Here is B9 to F9. There. Select the range, then simply click on editing, and there is auto sum. So that will automatically sum. Okay. Then apply the total cell style to the range B9 to F9. That range is already selected. First we have to select the range, then a cell style, and there is a total cell style. Done. So question number 2 is done and we earned 5 marks from there. So in question number 2 we have to move toward net sale worksheet, and there we have to calculate total in the range F4 to F8 and B9 to F9. After calculating totals, then we have to apply total cell style to the range B9 to F9. We have done, we get the result and we have earned 5 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 3, sorry. We're using absolute cell references as a necessary in cell G4. First we have to move towards cell G4 here, and there what we have to do, we have to construct a formula to calculate percent tabs percent that colored total of total sales. Okay, So here we use equal, then a total divide by total of that total. Okay, this one. Then apply percent style with a zero decimal place, but we have to make absolute also. We know that we have to make F9 absolute. Select this one and make that absolute. Then simply press enter and get result. Okay. Then there is there we have to apply percent style with a zero decimal place. So here we have to apply percent style with zero decimal place. Then fill down formula to the range G8. Now we have to fill down that formula to G8 here. Yes. So question number 3 is done and we have earned 7 marks from there. So in question number 3 we have to use using absolute cell reference as necessary in cell G4 we have to construct a formula to calculate percent that colored total is total sales. Then after finding that one then we have to apply the percent style with a zero decimal place, then fill formula down through the range G5 to G8 and we have earned 7 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 4. In range H4 to H8 insert line of spark line. Now first we have to select H4 to H8 and there we have to insert a line of spark lines. Where is a line? Open this one. No. Yes, here is a line of spark line. Then there is condition. Represent a trend of each state across 4 quarters. Okay. Do not include totals. We have to insert all states data there, not totals. Okay. Now press OK. So that will be done. Then we have to display markers. Now we have to display marker. So there is a marker option. Yes. So question number 4 is done. In after solving question number 4 we have earned 4 marks from there. So in question number 4 we have to select the range H4 to H8 and there we have to insert a line, a spark line to represent the trend of each state across the 4 quarters. Do not include the totals, then display the markers. We have done and we get this result. You may see we get this result. Okay, and we have earned 4 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 5. So select the range A3 to E8. First we have to select the range A3 to E8. Then use a recommended chart command to suggest appreciate chart. Click or press first clustered column chart that uses street name as category axis. Okay. We have to insert or recommended chart, first clustered column chart. Okay. That uses okay this one. Press OK. Then align the upper left corner of chart inside upper left corner of cell E11. Okay, now we have to align that. First we have to put that in E11 there. Then size the chart so that its lower right corner slightly inside H24. Okay, now we have to in that second one in H24 H24. Then apply chart style 7. Now we have to apply their chart style 7. Select this one and there is in chart design there is chart style, so we have to select style 7, this one, and then as a chart title we have to type quarterly net sale states. Now we just simply copy this one from here, then select chart style, chart title, then paste that one that we have already copied from instruction sheet. Okay, so question number 5 is done and we have earned 10 marks from there. Okay, so in question number 5 we have to select the range A3 to E8, then use a recommended chart command to suggest the appreciate chart. Click or press first clustered column chart that uses the state name as category axis. Then align upper left corner of chart inside upper left corner of cell E11. Then size the chart so that its lower right corner is slightly inside cell H24. After that, then we have to apply chart style 7 and chart title. We have to type quarterly net sales by state, and we have earned 10 marks and we get this result after solving question number 5. Now moving toward question number 6. To show the percent that each state contributes to total sales. So select the non-adjacent ranges that represent the state name and state totals. Now we have to show percent that each state contribute to total sales. Then select non-adjacent ranges that represent the state name and state totals. Where is state name? So we have to select the names of states. This one. Then we have to select total sales. Each state contribute to total sale, and here is total column. So first we have to select both ranges, then select both ranges, then we have to insert 3D pie chart. Now we have to create 3D pie chart of both ranges, insert, and there is pie chart option, so we have to create a 3D pie chart. Then move that chart to a new sheet. The name of new sheet is a net sale by state. So we just simply copy the name of new sheet from here, then select this chart, then click on chart design, and here is move chart. Select this one, new chart, new sheet, paste that one, then simply press OK. So that will be shifted to a new sheet. Okay. So question number 6 is done and we have earned 8 marks from there. Okay. So in question number 6, we have to show the percent that each state contribute to total sales. So select the non-adjacent ranges that represent state name and state total. First we have to select both ranges. Then after selecting both ranges, then we have to insert 3D pie chart and move that chart to new sheet name net sales by state. After solving that one, we get this result and we have earned 8 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 7. So change the chart title annual net sales and then change the chart title font to 36 point. So first we have to change the chart title, copy this one and then select this chart title, paste that one. Okay, then select this chart and then click on home, and in font we have to apply what font size? 36. We have to apply 36 font size. Then we have done till there. Okay, then remove legend from chart. Now we have to remove the legend, so select this chart, click on there and remove all legend. Okay, then add a data label that display only category name and percentage position in center. Now we have to select data labels, more option. By more option we have to select category names, and next one is percentage. then make them in center, so there is a center option. Okay, and then change the data label font size to 14 and make them bold and italic. Okay, now we have to change their font size to 14, then make them bold and italic. Okay, then change font color to white background 1. Now we have to change font color. Here is font color, apply white background 1, this one. Yes, so question number 7 is done and we have earned 5 marks from there. So in question number 7 we have to change the chart title to annual net sale by state, then change the chart title font size to 36 point. After that, then we have to remove the legend from the chart and then add a data label that display only category names, percentage, position in center. After that, then we have to change the data label font size to 14 and apply bold and italic. Then in last part, we have to change the font color to white background 1. We have done 7 questions. Now moving toward question number 8. Select the entire pie and display format data series. Now we have to select entire pie. Okay, then display format data series pane. Okay, then modify 3D option by changing the top bevel and bottom bevel to first bevel and first row. Okay, we have to apply 3D format top bevel and bottom bevel, top bevel and bottom bevel to first option, this one and this one. Okay, then set all the width of height boxes to 512, then change material to third. Now we have to change all the width and height to 512. We have to in 512, 512, 512, and they are also used for 512. Okay, then change the material to third standard type plastic. Now we have to change the material. So where is material? This one, and we have to use plastic that is in standard, that is in third one. Okay, yes. So question number 8 is done and we have earned 1 marks from there. So in question number 8 we have to select the entire pie and display the format data series pane, then format 3D format gallery, modify 3D option by changing the top bevel and bottom bevel to first bevel in first row, then set all the width and height boxes to 512, then change the material to third standard type plastic. So question number 8 is done and we have earned 1 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 9. Insert a custom footer with file name and in left section and then save workbook. Now we have to insert custom footer. So we have to click on page layout and here is footer, custom footer. Okay, now what we have to in file name in a left section. In left section we have to in file name this one, then simply press OK and OK. So this part is done and we have earned 1 marks from there. In question number 9 we have to insert a custom footer with file name in left section and then save workbook. So question number 9 is done. Now moving toward question number 10. In question number 10 we have to move toward a settle inventory worksheet and then in cell B5. So in cell B5 we have to enter function that will display average or retail price. Then in cell B6 enter function that display median or retail price. In cell B7 we have to enter a function that will calculate lowest retail price. Then in cell B8, we have to enter a function that calculate highest retail price. Then format the range B5 to B8 with accounting number format. Okay, and we will earn 5 marks from there. So question number 10 is done. Same way we will solve other parts. You may see in graded part we have 25 or 24 questions. Out of 24 we have done first 10 to 12 questions step by step. So in today's video we have discussed Excel Introductory Capstone 1 year end report assignment that we call Capstone project. Okay, in short we just discussed project description, then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1, then we have solved question number 2, then we have solved question number 3, then we have solved question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We have done first 10 questions, mean almost 50% assignment is done from my side. In today's video you may count the number that we have done almost 50% assignment in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available on video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. So you may contact me. I'm available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 1 hour. Remember that your file will be ready in next 1 hour. Result will be 100% and price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and just like your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to have regarding your academic. So in today video we have discussed almost 50% assignment, almost 50 to 60% assignment is done from my side. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video you may see my WhatsApp number, my email ID. Okay, you may contact me. I'm available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. So in today's video we have discussed almost 50% assignment. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.